In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut, copy, and paste objects in Draw.io for Atlassian, Confluence, and Jira. To get started, open the Confluence page or Jira issue that contains the Draw.io diagram where you want to work with objects. In this example, I'll be using Confluence, but the process is very similar in Jira as well. The main goal here is to access the diagram editor so you can manage the objects inside the diagram directly. Once you're on the page, go into the page editor and locate the Draw.io diagram you want to update. Click on the diagram to select it. When you do, a floating toolbar will appear near the diagram. On that toolbar, click the edit icon. This will open a pop-up window with the Draw.io diagram editor right inside Confluence, where you can make changes to the diagram elements. Now that you're inside the editor, you can start working with the objects in your diagram. If you want to copy an object, first select the object you want to duplicate, then right-click on it and choose Copy. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl and C on Windows or Linux, or Command and C on a Mac. Copying is useful when you want to reuse a shape, label, connector, or any other diagram element without recreating it from scratch. To paste an object, right-click on the canvas and select Paste. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and V on Windows or Linux, or Command and V on a Mac. Pasting lets you place the copied object back into the diagram so you can reposition it wherever you need. This can save time and help keep your diagram consistent, especially when you're repeating similar elements. If you want to cut an object instead, select the object, right-click it, and choose Cut. You can also press Ctrl and X on Windows or Linux, or Command and X on a Mac. Cutting removes the object from its current position so that you can paste it somewhere else. This is especially helpful when you want to reorganize your layout without deleting and rebuilding the object. After cutting, simply paste the object in the new location using the same paste method. As you work, make sure the correct object is selected before using any of these commands, especially in diagrams with many elements close together. And that's it. That's how you cut, copy, and paste objects in Draw.io for Atlassian, Confluence, and Jira.